Hey, it's Shannie from Mountain Women Products. Today we're going to be talking about how to tin wire, whether it's something like these brass rods that you would use for garden stakes, or if you're using copper wire to make your own jump rings. If you look at these two rods here, one is nice and smooth, and this one here is all lumpy bumpy. Particularly when you're using brass rod or recycled copper, it's got a lot of impurities, so you really gotta slop that flux on there. Like a lot. Grab yourself a little bit of solder, and here we go. Back and forth, back and forth. When you first start out, it's going to be a little bit lumpier here. It's going to get easier and easier as you go along, because when you're starting out, your wire is cold. The longer you're on it, the more you're heating it up. So, see there? It's a little, we're getting there. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 back and forth. You'll note that I'm twisting the wire with my left hand like this. And zoom, 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 back and forth on my right at the same time. We need a little bit more flux here. We're getting up a little bit higher. I'll put some more down there too. Lots of flux. And that got a little crinkly again, but that's okay. It's still warm, so it heats back up quickly. And we're going to be pulling the excess that we have down there. We're working it up the wire. Remember to keep twisting as you back and forth. And we're getting close to done here. You'll note the closer you get to the fingers, the hotter it gets on the wire that you're holding. So you may want to use like an UV glove or a silicone kind of goomy dude, little oven mitty thing to hold on to that. Almost done. Getting too hot. And I keep giving it a little twist just for a little bit while it cools off and sets up. And you can see we're done with that. I elected not to finish this portion. I did all the bottom there, but I didn't do it up at the end here, because that's going to be buried within the seam of my garden stake. So you won't ever see it, so you don't need to tin that part. It's just about cooled off so we can set it down. We're done. Peace, love, and stained glass. Subscribe for more.